Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today I'm going to do a quick review about the RS4.0 systems. So let's see what's the difference. Let's go. Okay, so this time you can see the plates over here. Actually, this is the original size you guys see from the last previous video about the RS4.0 system. So I think in the video I do notice that I want to make the system a little bit like not that wide. I want to make it shorter, like right over here. So this time what I do is I do make a change. So let's say if I install it, then it's supposed to be over here. You can see the hole here, but now it's just right over here. So I just short it a little bit more, like one spot over here. And also the position that I have adjust for the arm to move, the movement is right to the edges of the tire. And also of course you can see I do a little bit adjustment, but the function of those four modes is still didn't change at all. So you can still do those four different type of the mode. Basically it doesn't really change too big, but the only thing that I change is on the side, because you can see like the 19mm, it won't block it won't touch the wheels at all. Okay, that's the first thing I have to set the distance and like the position, whatever. But this time what I also do is you can see on this side there's a 2-3 holes. So there's a 2, it's basically the same distance, but that's for both are for the 19mm. So the 19mm, what I do is for the top one, you can see the top one is basically for the when you're using the medium-sized wheels. So when you are putting on the top, so you won't be able to touch your tires, because it makes the roller and the tire has enough distance and also can do enough movement. And then the bottom one is for you if you're using the large size tire, so you can move the plates backward a little bit, like which means like here to further over here, and then you can change the position of your rollers to back over here, so it will be like lower. You can have more choices, right? So you can choose here. So it's not like, oh, maybe you put it here and you put it the 19mm, you put it here, that it's medium size, you cannot use it, then you have to find a way to adjustment. So I try to make it all the possibility that it might happen and make it all are available on this systems. And the 13mm, of course, is just right over here. I didn't make any other spot, so because it's good enough for the 13mm. Because if you are using the large size wheels but you want to using 13mm, you don't have to change the setup at all. You can straight just using it and just do it like normally, just like that. And the other thing I have changes is inside of the systems, because I changed it a little bit. Is if you wanna, let's say the moving distance is just like this much, just for example, it's just this much, but there's one thing, if you change it, then you can move, let's say this is the maximum, but after you change it, then you can move a little bit more. Okay, so that is just for the people if you need more distance, because sometimes the people, even though they're using the narrow medium-sized wheels, but sometimes they can just put it like the other way and to make the tire much more narrow. So then that you will have more room. So if you have more room, then there's also an option for you to adjust your plate more. And also the movement, you can have like much more longer, a little bit longer distance. So that is the what I did, the change for this the 4.0 this time. So here, just update it to you guys. And of course this time I'm totally is using my Dremel and just to do all the cutting. But be honestly, I realized that there's really something is really need to using the machines. So which means is like next month I'm going to Toronto. I'm planning to get this machine right over here, I think I have thinking of this idea for almost 2 years, but I just haven't got not the chance. I just don't cannot spend that much money. Like it's a little bit expensive for me, but I'm thinking if I having that machines, it probably can help me to finish this system earlier and also make my life easier, because I can, I can make it much more even, no matter if I'm doing cutting or making holes, whatever, and that can make the things much more simple and easier. Because this time I do waste a lot of plates. Okay, like just the 3mm plate, I think I wasted almost like I don't know, like 20 or 10 to 15 plates already, like just 3mm. So I don't want to waste too much, because those cutting after I get it done, then it's hard to using on something else. So that's why here, just share with you guys. Okay, this is today's video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video about this RS4.0 systems, please smash that like button. And also, if you have any question, you can leave your question or comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you first time come to my channel and you like my video, remember to subscribe my channel. Alright, I will see you next time. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.